I want to highlight the Canary Virtual Views asset model and illustrate the way that we're able to automatically recognize new tags and accordingly new assets as they come into the system and then add them to our Axiom displays or update our model with that information. So in setup, I have Inductive Automation's Ignition as my tag source. I'm currently logging history for 3 different conveyors that I've created. Demo Site 1, Conveyor 1 and 2, Demo Site 2, Conveyor 1, and I'm using the chirp module to be able to do that. I'm writing to a data set within Canary called module demo, and then I've created a virtual view using our regular expressions. I've dropped some of the tag path off the front, and then I've standardized the tag naming convention and created sites and conveyor assets. So currently inside of that view there's 2 sites, and site 1 has 2 conveyors and site 2 has just 1 conveyor. So if I start to log data from these other conveyors, what will happen is as we write to our data set in Canary, the virtual view will pick up those changes and then add these to the asset model of site and conveyor. My Axiom screen updates every 15 seconds and looks for any new instances of a conveyor because I've built this in my asset template. My asset template basically allows me to design one visualization card for an asset and then looks to see how many assets there are and displays that amount of information. So in short, I'm going to start historizing tags here for conveyor 2. Let's go ahead and turn that on, and then we'll start the clock and we'll see if this was a real world instance, and so a new piece of equipment comes online in the field. How long would it take for that information to get pushed into Canary, and then not just come into Canary, but populate through our asset model automatically, and then publish that data to an Axiom dashboard in real time that a client might already have pulled up. And so that's what we want to test here. I'm going to go ahead and just let this play forward, and we'll speed it up to get to the point where it comes onto the screen, remembering I'm only updating the Axiom application every 15 seconds. And there you go. In about a minute, we went from turning on a brand new piece of equipment, historizing all that data, repopulating our asset model, and then displaying it without any manual process whatsoever onto an Axiom dashboard. If you'd like to learn more about how this works or give it a demo for your own system, we'd love to help you out. Please email us info@canarylabs.com.